Pilot Ben Moore was cut, but otherwise unhurt. Tonight he was praised for steering the chopper to a place where others would not be injured.
A 25-story building when the air conditioner came loose and plunged into the car park below. Then workers on the ground watched in horror as the helicopter spun out of control. Fuel poured from the wreckage as it crashed, half on solid ground and half in water. The pilot scrambled from the twisted wreckage, amazingly, with only cuts to legs and nose. And despite the large number of people around at the time, no one else was hurt.